I need to add an account so my kids don't keep screwing up my profile. So guys, if you want to add a profile account or for your kids or for yourself or for your in-laws or for your parents or whoever, your buddy next door, you can just add profile. Once we're in here, as you can see, I have like a couple children. Let's try you. See how this works. Profile. So you get put in the age. It's wrong age, but or birthday for some reason. But um, you can add that. Now some of these profiles are already created within because they have like the tablet, the Fire tablet. So that helps out a little bit. You may need to go into your Amazon like online to create it. A big plus, please be careful on this part. I've go through my subscriptions through my Amazon account on a monthly basis and find out I've been automatically signed up for this, that, and the other thing. So I think at one point there was like $60 of subscriptions coming out due to things like this. I don't know if Amazon automatically does it. I don't know if the kids are doing it. I don't know how it does it. But I try to keep saying, no, continue with my own comment. No, I want Amazon Kids. No, continue with my own content. So you can create a pin. I'm not going to do that now. And then we'll do this later or done. Eligible children prime content, child friendly content and apps, your own. So like you can always just you can click on what you think they can have in there, download it, put it down. These are all actually apps that I own that aren't necessarily on the Firestick, so you can just kind of throw them up there, and away you go. All right, enjoy. Peace. I shouldn't have said enjoy and peace because here now the child's there. All right. And if you want to learn how to delete it, check out this next video.